Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got IKEA store da lae ba. This is very close to my house, not so far from my place. So I thought like because since I'm visiting for the second time, adum ut kena har ga video na mane ba ko. Sigi IKEA store si am chawe ba ko. Si de horaga si pura whole thing for sigi side pum namak se khamra. Asi phaba. Si IKEA store nga tane ba ko. Yam nokning ba man ko. Mo khagi out the store gi mapan dai khambra. मैं कई फिरोन कई डिस्प्ले तब हो रहे फिरोन देन किचन आइटम लोइना डिस्प्ले तब हो रहे बको अदो मनुंग दे चंगा कांद उठ के बको सो लेट्स गो इन मया मथक तको सिगी पूरा फ्लोर जे मगी डिस्प्ले ओइना थमने बको अदु उलकेबा यामना पामे हाइदी यामना फजा फजाबा युंगी युम मनुंग द थंबा याबदो याम यावे बको अदु उठ के
Noyam aina heka mathak kabdai ko moi display tabo haure bako haidi adum kabo adum haure aduga first aina changba je khoi kitchen gi oina display hana adugi mafam da change bako si aina explain to ini like how kitchen a display like setup ko maina kitchen je moina pi habado adune just round oina lawge dum yeng
loin piraga sida kay pire dana sida fridge adagi oven kay loin set tor pi to ko naina pamagadi siya phamaga cha ga thakdana yam ngai lai yai ko maya asi je kitchen he anung si ko khogi garlic ka se sai tar tham hai I can't take this off actually yeah garlic ki design ka se hai na adagi onion su sai thame ba ko tagi flower macha macha kai kai thame mi me am lai mo chu yeng chano ba ko atopa mo namak aduga mayam aina noi do ulli se ko haidi kitchen gi every piece lei ba je ko moi price te ka taro ka loi thami dana sigi whole floor je demo gi oina thamane ba ko where like nang item je dang yeng ba khatane ba ko but if noina lining adi ko ai khoina lining adi different section ama lei ba ko adu ko sigi item je loina phangani ba ko adu ko by the same price sida tag tawra ka thami je see every even single piece je loina charge tawra ba ngata ne ba haidi paisa ga onar thamma bane ba ko so you can buy from there mayam si angang macha gi kitchen set ne ba ko yam nung sidreng induction ka hape sida on off tong na ngai gi hand wash ga thame ba ko towel ga tham dana pan macha macha yam nung sidra angang macha gi ne mo guys and this is full sofa set yeah I mean like noi sofa ka ge pam su ko sida cha la ga khan ba yai ba ko makhan sofa me am lai re ko hai na like comfortable oi ba khan ba yai hai the example I na si pham ninga so wa sai ta vedana aduga hana makhan pi re ko si da su mayam pi price tag su yaw re adu ai si yellow jam pham ninge this one can I sit here yeah sigi sofa jam phajai mone wa si phajai aina sida phammani ai coffee ga ta ga tha ga time spend to sang ga ta ga this is another this thing living room setup again this is just a display but really very attractive you know this one this light this yellow couch I'm going to pham ga yellow couch and the TV everything here aduga ka also a small workstation here you know it's really nice small workstation this can be on and off maya sina ko pura living room gi display ama thame ba ko saina sain thame ba ko living room gi oina aduga apart from this I see the kitchen set another kitchen set ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ. Yeah. This is nice. Maya, moi ko plants ki jo display thamebako. To saina. Saina thamebako. Fazai ya. Saina. Plant different plant ki again ko display to bagi different section amola kebako. But these are just common display. This is so cute. Shinidana. Pere jam fazai. This one. Saina taro ya colorful oy. Then this side again. Tiny plants. Yeah, I can't put it back. And if you want to come for a romantic date, then this is the place. This is a setup. I would love to go in this spot like this, where all the plants are hang with a good lighting, and then you sit. Wow, I would love this. See, they have this type of works. Yam phase yam na. Ye setup se yam phase. Mayam, ashize aina hazik laise asina ko angang masagi oina khoi gi bedroom set pi bado adune ba ko yam na phajana kano ta have design ta have ko di angang gi table macha ka thame. I don't know if you can see mirror ka se aina ka haidi sliding hoiba mirror pi ba ko mirror ka pi ra ga yam nungai ado ula ke ba ko thaina. I will show this way. Okay, it's really nice. Na ja ni ya hilala ula ke ka. Yeah, this is for the small kid. This thing bedroom hoy dine ba ko saina ka curtain ka ha pa gane ya saina to moi manung jeo haina haina to ga ne mira macha ma jupi adagi toilet su fit tawi saina ne ko haina ma yam phajai haba anga macha gi bed se macha ne haina ko macha oire da na aduga sidana shoe rack kai ko haina thamme aduga mirror sipiye anga musagi table ula ke bako chile to yam nungshi haba sorry ya pandana mo silay ko sida mo again koi gi single bed haidora double haidora adugi mo set ne bako yeah, really nice, very nice actually hana tawe aduga sigi mirror si su yam phajai ko hana aya le hana sigi sainai ja guys another angang machagi bedroom set amane bako yam phajai ka haidora I khangde but ya angang hoidara ahan hoidara mirror ju pire haina ko khambra ya haina
ai hip pa lai ni yam phajai hain ta yo ka yam comfortable oi dei nu mon de
phajai haina phamdok Ado mayam sida red color gi dot laise ko sigi red color gi dot laise sida ne ba ina laise ko just third step te yodang ai ne ba ko ado lai ba se khamra moino show to ba je am to 26 fa ba lai ba ko 26 fa ba lai ba ai third tang reach to dang ai ri kyam chawe ha ba dam khallo ba ko yam chawe ba sise selfie lo ba gi room ne ba ko kyam phajai yo mathak ka se ko hai na loina hai na balloon ka half bako hai na full glass ka thamaga na si selfie lawagi jaga ne bako yam phajai ha si laga selfie lawe so guys now let me pretend like I'm having a meeting with my team so this is my office setup okay guys yes bye bye no okay mayam si aigine office ki desk ne bako sida tor sida me duga this one you can go up find tung manung ai nangai it can go down if you feel like working. Yeah, I think to the minimal up to here. Ah, this is nice. No problem. Okay. Maya, this is also another setup. Our office ki setup, hai na? System later, among that. And then this also I can go up. I know it's not going up, but yeah, it's supposed to go up and go down. But I think it's not charged. Ta-da! Maya, I chak thong bi sanarage hazik. Ta-da! La, siyam phase hai ba. Sida aina chak ka thong dana, sida ka chak thong ani, dagi sida thong ani dana. Dai sina spice kumba grinder ne buka. Taraga crank 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 tak tana. Then oh, pizza. Someone wants spice. Wow. Kitna अच्छा. Then this other side is also nice. The family ka lagan hai. Kaya ko to, yung phasai je kaigi no. Se sa ka sab tara. बेचारा monkey पता नहीं इधर hang करके रखा है इधर. But yeah, again this is another kitchen setup. Just hang up पड़ेगा. फज़ायम ना see
sauce pan.
धीरे से. This is with the kitchen and the living room. With the rose, somebody get the rose. Mayam, aduga sisi na ko. Full magi table and chair gagi section ne buka hai na. Ana nang saina nang apam table pair taroga chair lai ba yai. Apam different chair, different table lai. Chair zu lai se. Chair makan hai na. Noi lai se buka. Saina table su noi select ba yai buka. This kumba se. Kamaga ye cha thaning na su si comfortable oidre. Atopa hai na. Noi to ba yai hai na. Pam ma khalaga ko. Then she said, I don't know if we can split this. Split over here. I am dressing ki kumba mirror pa madiko. She am perfect. Why the light side ka light pira ko. Yam phazayam. Ki ba do. Kaya kening mo ki yani ba. Entarong.
Hey guys, at the end I was literally very tired showing like one by one display, but I love all the display over here, whether it is like kitchen or it's a bathroom. The design are like beautifully arranged. Other than real life ki like home kamaina design to when you have a idea so plus it's easy for us to select like which furniture would go in our own space. Aduga magi price tag so loina hapaga pibanina khambra haidi price tag yauraga pibanina ko it's easy for us to select like karamba bu pami bano karamba pamda bano haibado aduga hoi overall like very nice yam cozy oina ka arrange sara thameba ko aduni che aduga same time ko like if we are building a new house and we are not sure which design to go for the bedroom, then I think it's very, I would say like, we go see the idea, whatever they have displayed. Adagi mogi items in the loina yoli bang atani so like sidagi item kara pick taraga ko haidi loina display tar is loi laini habanate but like if you like some of the item adai lairaga bedroom do ina phazana ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟꯂꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯋꯦꯜ honestly ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯦꯀꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟꯒ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ I would say this is a very good idea and yeah I enjoy
ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ crowded ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ but ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ kidsꯀꯤ sectionꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ where all the toys are like hanged upside ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ display ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ scattered ꯇꯧꯔ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ this kind of like attract ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ attract ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ so I went to this section and where I picked up some of the soft toys ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯒ engage ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ
ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯥꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯕꯜꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯕꯜꯒ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯒꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯡ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯊꯝ ꯑꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ tomato cheese garlic tomato ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯐ ꯇꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯀꯣ ꯈꯨꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁꯣꯐ ꯇꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯪꯀꯤꯁꯦ he's like I want it ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯤꯔꯥꯐ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯉꯥꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯄꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯦꯡꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯔ ꯌꯥꯟꯕꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯈꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯣ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯟ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯋꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯐꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯈꯨꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯟ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯦꯄꯔꯗꯅꯦ ꯃꯆꯥ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑ ꯐꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯅꯝꯃꯤꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯖꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯅꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯏꯠ ꯕꯠ ꯏꯐ ꯌꯨ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯇꯨ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯗꯦꯟ we need to go downstairs then we have to buy it ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯂꯩꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯆꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯤꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯈꯟꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯖꯁ ꯎꯠꯂꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯎꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯕꯣꯔꯤꯡ ꯆꯨꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯟꯖꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯁꯦꯌꯔꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯀꯃꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯏ